One of my daily chores is to come up here to the well house and check out the water level in our tank and get a meter reading on my wells. So I have to come up here and get a close look at my tank level. You can't see it, it's reading 10.4. Then I go back down here to where my well meter is, and that's reading 177710. And this is something that I do every day. Just like my internet marketing, I have a daily routine, which in this case is to lead to my list building.